AI is making people rich. And the crazy part, I think, is that most people have no idea how much money AI is printing for those who get in early.
I got early, and I am here to take you to this journey with me early. And let's start making money using extremely basic stuff. This morning, I went to Google Gemini, and I thought, why not, instead of me go to YouTube and take inspiration from others' videos, why not I asked Google's Gemini to do the research for me. So here's what I said. Search YouTube and find AI and side hustle related English language highest engaging videos published in last 7 days that might be interesting for beginner 35 years to 55 years audience who want to learn online side hustle. And for that, I chose this model right here, 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental with Apps, where AI can do reasoning across YouTube, Maps, and search. Okay, before we begin, can you help me understand something? Why have you not smashed the like button yet? Why did you not share the video with your friends, family, and social media? And if you haven't subscribed to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, why not? Listen, the only reason I make these videos is to get help from Allah, is to make Allah happy. Because if I put a little bit of my time, effort, and my research, my work, and give it to you, and you get some benefits, Allah will be happy and Allah will give me the money. So whether you buy something from me or not, I don't care. I know that if you get even a tiny bit of benefit, and even if you don't get any benefit, due to my intention, I will get help from Allah. So what is stopping you from liking this video, share with your friends, family, and social media, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, because this way you're not only helping me who is trying to help you, but also when algorithm will pick this video and show it to more and more people, can you imagine how many people will get benefit from this? So go do it. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, and let's move on to the main video. So it went ahead, did the live research for me, found some old videos, and it canceled all by itself, saying these are old videos. And finally came up with 3 videos that you will find interesting. And for some reason, I picked this video to work on. But while checking the other videos, a suggested video right here grabbed my attention. Did you see what's going on here? I'm also showing you how a YouTube visitor behaves. When people browse YouTube, choose a video to watch, and they get suggestion to watch other videos, sometimes they get distracted. But hey, I did not get distracted. Instead, I just took the idea from this thumbnail. New Claude 3.7 Sonnet AI update is insane and it's free. So instead of checking this video, I just went to Claude and I saw that the Claude 3.7 Sonnet is available here. I thought this is awesome. Why not, instead of watching this 20-minute long video, I'm just going to copy the whole transcript. It means I have the content of the video. I'm going to put the transcript here and I'll write this prompt and I would enter and see what I get. You can see Claude is analyzing the video transcript and it basically turning the transcript into a step-by-step tutorial in a very easy language. And that's not all. It's making a table showing you which of the side hustles mentioned in the video is beginner friendly, has $100 per day income potential, and has some maintenance. Then it rated for each of these features out of 5. And it looks like AI chatbots. What? AI chatbots is the winner. It is the highest beginner friendly and it has the highest $100 per day potential. And it also wrote me a beautiful and easy to remember acronym. It's called ESCAPES. Interesting, right? And I figured this is not useful, but the third step will make you money, which is basically the second step if you remove S. You will love this step. And this is where you'll make tons and tons of money. Looks good so far? Before I start explaining one step at a time, this second step will also help you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions. So keep watching. Step number 1, explore AI options. And for making money, she specifically mentioned chatbots. And I love chatbots for a reason. You see, I have a program which is a 99% done for you program. Members of our done for you program earn $500 commissions for each sale. Now, the best part is they don't really need to do most of the work. Most of the work is AI powered. It starts with this training. If you're interested in this training, by the way, the link is in the description below this video. Click on the 99% done for you option and you'll be taken to another website where you have to put your email. After putting your email, you'll be taken to this page and you can watch this free training. From this free training, you'll clearly understand how our program works and how we help our members earn this kind of money. Now, when someone watch this training, they might have some questions. And at that point, maybe I am sleeping. Maybe my team members are not available. So the best of the best solution to give them instant answer and give them correct answer is by deploying AI chat agent. In our case, the AI chat agent is right here. Just click here, put your name and email, click submit, and a visitor can chat with this AI chat agent 24/7. AI doesn't sleep, and AI gives answers just like me. How cool is that? One of our members signed up to our program after chatting with the AI chat agent. Listen to this. And where do you live in?
I live in Malaysia.
Malaysia, mashallah. So, did we chat before?
No, this is my first time chatting with you.
Or on chat like DMs? No?
No.
Great, amazing. So, where did you find me, brother?
I scroll on Facebook,
Facebook, okay.
yeah, and then I found your video.
All right, here is something I will explain you later. When he mentioned Facebook, he found me on Facebook. This is something amazing. And if you understand how amazing it is, it will make you a lot more money.
So I click on the Instagram profile, and then I click on website link that you provided on the profile.
Right.
Then I was able to subscribe.
Right. So you watched that full 1 hour video?
Yes, I watched full.
He's talking about this video. And here's what happened after he watched the video. Did you have any question before you sign up?
Yes, I did ask a few questions on the chat bot.
What? He mentioned the chatbot. He spoke to the chatbot.
So,
Okay.
So your chatbot, it really helps. I nearly believed that was you, but I realized it's AI, but you did a great job. So yeah.
Okay, amazing. Love it. You see what happened here? If you deploy an AI chatbot or an AI chat assistant, it can answer questions to potential customers 24/7. If you train it the right way, it will answer so persuasively, then people will buy and you make money. So this basically took me to research more and find how can I market my chatbot and make money by selling the chatbot as a service. So I asked AI, if you are a content marketing expert, give me step-by-step action plan to market AI chatbot to potential businesses using content. The reason I mentioned content is because I use content to make money. This will be covered in the next step, so stay tuned. But another reason for using content marketing is to avoid paid advertisement. And I also asked, give me 30 days content idea and platform. Present your info in a table. So it wrote a detailed step-by-step action plan for me, starting with define your target audience, create your brand story, set up content platforms, and the steps are really awesome. And presented the whole content idea in a table. So these are the number of days, so day number 1, day number 2, day number 3, so on and so forth, way up to day 30. And here's the content idea. For example, 5 ways AI chatbot are revolutionizing customer service. The platform can be blog and content type can be educational article. Then another post here on LinkedIn, another post here on Twitter, another post here, blog, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, blog, LinkedIn. You know how it goes. Don't worry, keep watching. I'll make it so easy for you that you can start from today. But I'm a bit confused because It still did not tell me about the target audience. Who should be the target audience for my content that are also potential buyers for the chatbot? So I said, I don't know who's the right customers or audience for AI chatbots. Give me detailed customer avatar for AI chatbots. And now AI wrote a detailed customer avatar. Look at this. Avatar 1, Sarah, the overwhelmed salon owner. This is her demographics, 38 years old, owns a hair salon with 6 stylists, $350,000 annual revenue, in business for 5 years, located in a suburban shopping center. Now here are the pain points. Listen, constantly interrupted by phone calls for appointments while with clients. Misses booking opportunities when the salon is closed because nobody is picking up the calls or chatting with the clients. Staff spends 2+ hours daily answering same basic questions. Struggles to manage social media, asking about prices and availability. And finally, loses clients who don't want to wait and hold. So here are her goals. Here are the digital behaviors, decision factors, and here is Avatar 2. And I can go on and on. I can get Avatar 3, Avatar 4, Avatar 5. MashaAllah, Subhanallah. Now I know the clear pains of the potential customers. All I need to do is to create content around this pain and offer solution using my chatbot. Now I will say, now give me 30 days content idea based on this customer avatar. Now AI is writing, but unfortunately, your message will exceed the length limit for this chat. Try shortening your message or start a new conversation or consider upgrading to Claude Pro. This is where I would love to go to Perplexity. I will copy this whole customer avatar thing. I'll put it right here. And on the top, I wrote, research and give me content idea based on other content creators' content and what's working, what's going viral in the same niche. The product type and customer avatar is below. And I switched on deep research. Now it will browse the internet and find results for me. Bismillah. And see how it works. It's so interesting to see AI is researching and thinking. It will think loudly. Look at this. It says, I will analyze the results from the web, search to identify specific content strategies and examples that are currently resonating with audience in the AI chatbot services niche. This will help refine my understanding of what types of content are going viral and effective for the customer's avatar you have provided, such as salon owners, e-commerce, store managers. Next, I will need to dive deeper into specific case studies or successful campaigns that highlight these strategies in action, as well as gather insights and engagement metrics to support my findings. And it was working on 20 sources at a time. Now AI is still working, still writing. Can you see that? It's amazing. And currently it's working on 36 sources at a time. So imagine you researching on 36 websites all by yourself. The whole work is replaced by AI. It gave you tailored results based on 36 most authentic resources. Now, I'm not a big fan of this huge chunk of texts. So I would say present your results in a table in short sentence for 6th graders. Make it as interesting as possible. Use rating out of 5 for your recommendations. And let's enjoy the table. I think deep research was not required, but I just did it. So let's see what happens. It's still working. And the table is forming right in front of you. Isn't this amazing? Check this out. The first one, customer, Sarah, the salon owner. The superpowered bot trick. Because I asked it to make it interesting. All right, why it rocks? Because you never miss a late night hair appointment. Awesome idea. Watch real salons save 10 hours per week. Well, that's the content idea. Fun rating, 5 out of 5. Another one, sales boost bot. Converts shoppers 24/7, even in pajamas. Okay, live demo, see bots crush Black Friday. Okay, so basically you can ask AI whatever you want and however you want. It will find the information for you. Even if you ask, where are my customers? Where, I mean, which social media do I find my target chatbot customers? What type of content do they consume? Rate effectiveness of the social media content and customers there out of 5 and present your answer in a table. I love tables because it's easy to read. AI is doing the research on my behalf, looking at multiple authority websites for answers. Okay, now the table is forming. Now we know the social media platforms where our target audience or the target customers are and what kind of content they love and the effectiveness. So we have Instagram Reels, we have Facebook groups, we have LinkedIn articles, Twitter X threads, healthcare blogs, product hunt, GitHub repos. This is amazing. We love it. So far, no one mentioned Reddit, but I would like to explore Reddit as well. However, guys, we just covered step number 3, which is capture customers using content. The 3 C's. Isn't this amazing? And remember, I told you that this one step can take you to potential $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. So before I go to S and show you how to make big money, let me show you what the members of our 99% Done For You program do. In order to capture customers using content, we simply use AI. And I have already shown you how we use AI. And we learn new skills and knowledge fast. Now, we use the experience of using AI and the knowledge that we learned, we combine them and make short form videos. Not this kind of long videos, but short form videos, 30 seconds to 60 seconds long. Then we take the same one piece of content and upload them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as YouTube Reels. Guys, these platforms are in a war of getting attention through short form content. So they send you free customers to your videos. And your videos are structured in a way that they drive your viewers to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. You can call it as a money machine. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf because we're not salespeople. We're not expert at selling. We don't know how to sell. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. That's exactly how our students earn money. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. All you need to do is to click the link below this video in the description. Go and check out this free to watch training. After you watch the full training from start to end, you'll have a full idea of what this program is about. What is AI-powered digital marketing? How we make money, how beginners make money, and how you can make money, inshallah, as well. And of course, you know, our AI chat agent is always there to answer your questions. And it chats so well that it will give you complete information so you can take an educated decision about whether the program is the best fit for you or not. What is the last step where you make tons of money? Scale. Scale your income by scaling your effort. In this whole process, we do not have any manual work. Of course, in our program, 99% is done for you, but if you use AI in all the steps, and if you follow the steps that I shared in this video, explore your audience, find content idea, use AI and chatbot, simply increase in quantity and quality, inshallah, you will be able to scale and make tons of money on demand. I wish you all the best. Hope this video was helpful. Smash the like button if you liked it. Share with your friends and family whether you liked it or not. Because even if this video was not helpful to you, it is definitely helpful for someone. It can be your friends, family, and social media contacts. So go ahead, share with your friends, family, and social media contacts. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Because this way, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money-making video. Plus, this way you will help us hit our goal of getting 5,000 followers by the end of this month. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.